Now let's log in to the Natas 9. Here we can see on login. Here we can see that we are having a search box. Let's check what the search box does. Let's enter a sample string password in it. As we can see, what it does is it outputs all the strings which have the enter string as its substring. Let's check the source code as it gives us a hint to check the source code. Here we can see that it uses the grep command to find the entered string is present on what all words in the dictionary.txt file. The grep command is a very powerful tool and is used to scan through files to find the words that contain the given string as a substring. As we can see that the entered key is input to the command, so we can use the input key to manipulate the command and get the password as output for us. To continue with this approach, we will go back to the home page of the Natas and see that all the passwords are stored over here. So to get the password for Natas 10, we will try and access this file and get the contents of this file. So the cat command in Linux is used to access the contents of a page or a file. So we will use the cat command to get the contents of this page. So let's copy this link and go back to the main page. First we will put a semicolon, then we will put the cat command and write the directory in which the password for Natas 10 is present. We will also put a hashtag at the end so that whatever is written after hashtag is considered as a comment. As in the source code, we could see that the dictionary.txt is written after the key field is used in the command. Let's run this command. Here we can see this is the password for Natas 10.